Dinaplus is the automatic dynamometric screwdriver specific for the correct tightening of screws. Thanks to the worldwide patented system of SAU company, Dynaplus is the ideal solution for companies that need correct and constant tightening. It is very easy to use and it does not require any adjustment. It is enough to insert the blade into the elegant anodized aluminum handle. The automatic adjustment makes possible to fix the screws without slipping or vibration, by avoiding excessive tightening and the seizing of the screw. The tightening of tools with imprint Torx and Torx Plus requires screwdrivers with adjustable torque so that they can be used for different blades. The Torx Dynaplus range has the ability to self-tighten the clamping force. The kit includes a wide range of blades that can be used from Torx 6 to Torx 20 and Torx Plus from IP6 to IP20. Easily identified and stored in the convenient box. The speed of the screwing, the immediate adjustment and the use of multiple blades with a single device make Dynaplus an extraordinary tool for future-oriented engineers companies.